Hello there, this is Tech House channel where you can find the latest video related technology and smartphone. If this sounds interesting to you, do consider subscribe. Let's get straight into the video without any further delay. So today we will be revealing the specifications of iPhone 13, the 2021 iPhone lineup. From the various reports it is confirmed now the notch will be shrinking in 2021 iPhone model. The notch will shrink both vertically as well as horizontally. The display of iPhone 13 will be LTPO OLED display, which can support always-on display features. Apple will be adopting 120Hz of high refresh rate in 2021 lineup. The Apple Bionic A15 will be more power efficient and more performance beast. The battery will be getting bigger by 20%. We may see iPhone SE 2021 model this year, along with iPhone 13 launch. Apple may introduce under-screen fingerprint scanner this year in 2021 lineup. iPhone 13 will be using same camera hardware as in iPhone 12, but the top-end model of iPhone 13 will have some improvement in its wide-angle sensor, along with LiDAR sensor improvement in iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Next year's iPhone may have punch-hole screen, as reported by Leakstar. One of the iPhone model will be getting under-screen fingerprint scanner this year. It may be iPhone 13 lineup or SE model 2021. If you have enjoyed watching to us, drop us like down below and make sure to subscribe to us. Till then, stay safe, stay connected. I'll see you around. Peace.